introducing one of MSP's most reliable and efficient packaging solutions, the automatic glass bottle rinsing, filling, and capping machine, designed to deliver hygiene, precision, and high productivity in a single, integrated system. At MSP, we understand that in industries like food, beverages, pharmaceuticals, and chemicals, product safety and consistency are non-negotiable. This machine has been engineered to meet those exact demands while ensuring smooth operation and long-term durability. Let me walk you through how the machine operates. The process begins at the rotating star plate, where empty glass bottles are placed. This star plate ensures perfect bottle alignment and controlled movement. As the bottles rotate, they enter the rinsing station, where each bottle is thoroughly rinsed to remove dust, particles, or any residual contaminants. This step is critical to maintaining hygiene and ensuring product purity before filling. Once rinsed, the bottles smoothly move forward through a precision-guided conveyor system. The conveyor transfers the bottles to the filling section without disturbance, maintaining proper spacing and stability throughout the process. At the filling station, the machine showcases its efficiency. Here, 4 bottles are filled simultaneously, one by one, with exceptional accuracy. This multi-head filling system ensures uniform fill levels, minimal spillage, and reduced product wastage even at higher production speeds. Whether the application requires consistency in volume or clean filling, MSP's technology delivers reliable results every cycle. After filling, the bottles are transferred again through a rotating star plate, which guides them seamlessly toward the capping section. This controlled movement eliminates bottle misalignment and ensures smooth transition between stations. Next comes the cap placement stage, where caps are accurately positioned onto each bottle. From there, the bottles move into the capping station, where the caps are sealed securely and precisely. The capping mechanism is designed to ensure leak-proof sealing without damaging the cap or the bottle, providing both safety and shelf-ready packaging. Once capping is completed, the finished bottles exit the machine, fully rinsed, precisely filled, perfectly capped, and ready for labeling, packing, or direct dispatch. Now, let's talk about applications. The MSP automatic glass bottle rinsing, filling and capping machine is ideal for a wide range of industries, including beverages such as juices, syrups, soft drinks, and flavored water, food products, including sauces, oils, vinegar, and liquid concentrates, pharmaceuticals like syrups, tonics, and medicinal liquids, cosmetics and personal care such as lotions, serums, and liquid formulations, chemical and allied industries for non-corrosive liquid products. At MSP, every machine is designed with one clear goal: to help manufacturers achieve flawless production, superior hygiene, and consistent output. This system has been carefully developed to meet the expectations of modern industries that demand reliability, accuracy, and long-term performance. It features a precision rotating star plate for accurate bottle alignment and gentle handling, an efficient rinsing unit to ensure cleanliness before filling, and a high-accuracy 4-head filling system that fills 4 bottles simultaneously with consistent volume and minimal spillage. Bottles move seamlessly through a stable conveyor to the capping section, where an accurate cap placement mechanism and high-precision capping station deliver secure, leak-proof sealing. Built with robust MSP engineering, the machine offers reliable performance, easy operation, low maintenance, and a hygienic design. Visit us.